In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play videos on repeat in Canva. If you create presentations, social posts, or looping backdrops, setting a video to repeat is a simple way to keep motion going without manual restarts. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few helpful pointers so you know what to expect. Start by opening your Canva project. Once you're in, head to the specific page that contains the video you want to loop. Click directly on the video to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box or handles appear around the video. This is important because the loop option only shows up when a video element is actively selected. With the video selected, look to the top toolbar and click Edit. This opens a panel on the left side of your screen. The panel hosts controls that are specific to the element you chose, so if you don't see the right options, double-check that you clicked the video itself and not the page background or a different object. In the left panel, scroll down until you find the option labeled Play Videos on Repeat. It can be slightly lower in the panel depending on your screen size or other available settings, so don't worry if you don't spot it immediately. Just keep scrolling until it appears. When you see Play Videos on Repeat, click it. That's the entire setup. Here's what that change does. When you preview your design or play the video in the Canva editor, the video will automatically restart as soon as it reaches the end, creating a seamless loop. This is great for kiosks, event screens, or animated backgrounds where you don't want any pauses. Keep in mind that this behavior is tied to playback within Canva and compatible presentation modes. External video players often control looping themselves, so if you're sharing the exported file elsewhere, the viewer or platform may need its own loop setting. A quick tip: if the loop option doesn't appear, it usually means the selected element isn't a video. Click the video again to reselect it, then reopen the edit controls. Also, remember that this setting applies to the video you selected on that page. If you have multiple videos across pages, select each one and repeat the same toggle where needed. And that's all there is to it. Open your project, select the video, click Edit in the top toolbar, use the left panel, scroll to Play Videos on Repeat, and click it. You're ready to keep your visuals moving smoothly without interruptions.